about to go to sleep, and I'm on the phone with my best friend, and he's snoring. I put it on mute, but yeah, that's my best friend. He doesn't believe he snores, but he snores, so I'm gonna show this to him tomorrow. This right here is my best friend, Dane. So you see what I put up with. But I love you, Dane, so much that I record you snoring and put you on YouTube. But everybody say good night, Dane. So, bye, Dane. Say bye. Click.
How do I breathe?